Alright guys, customer brings in this Steel FS55R and says that he cannot get it to start. So, let's try it out. First thing we're going to do, check the fuel. Looks good. Put it on. Let's take the air cover off. Prime it. Put it on choke. Give it a pull. Oh, that's weird. That's weird. A bunch of oil coming out the muffler. Let's take this plug off and check it out. Got a bunch of oil in that housing. See if that helped it. I'm willing to bet it's got bad rings. I'm gonna say no compression, bad rings. What do you guys think? Bad rings? Try that. And it's hard to pull. I'm going to say it's shot, guys. Let me know in the comments. What do you think?